Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this in this additional of the weekend edition. It's actually today Sunday, but it's the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, March the 16th, 17th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku number. The numbering is 8209 here. 8209. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. So don't think it's a hard one, but we will see if this is a hard one. It's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Here dual box, here and there. Contains the 1 and 2 here. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and 2. Well, we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1 and this box should be 2. Here also the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here another dual box. Same situation. Alright. Then the next question, the triple box. Well, we have a triple box here. The 2 is already given, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape is this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? The T shape. When you see the T shape, it's rotated, this one. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. And this connected with that box should be so 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. More T shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So this, in this case, is 1 on a 2, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be a 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. More T shapes? No. Oh, we are left 1 of the the first figure or shape. well, let me, this box has the same number as that box, yeah, but it's rotated, this one, okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape, or that shape? Well, let me, yeah, let me put this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box is the same number as that box. This box is the same number as that box. Alright, here we have another one, but upside down. This box is the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Yeah. Let me put this here. And you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need. No. Overlook this one. It's the same shape as that one, but rotated. Almost overlook this one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this T-shape area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shape area should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shape area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Then, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be a 1, can be 2, can it be a 3, we have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 and 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shape area for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright, and now. This box can be 3. This box can be 1. So 3 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. So 1 is left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then, yeah. Then. 3 and 1, we have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. Then. Let me see. 4, 5. Let me go up. Well. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, come on, come on, come on. Thinking. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those. No. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. It means that these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Then. Let me see. Well, I don't think this box should be a 2, because then these 2 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. And we need a 2 in this area. So not a solution to place a 2 there. Only place level 2 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box level 2 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, then. Let me see. Well. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution. Place a 2 there. If I place a 2 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. But we already have a 2 here, so not a solution. Place a 2 there. Only place level 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left on numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. Also 3 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box level 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 or a 4 here. Well, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then, yeah. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. Well, we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And if eliminated there, the 1, so the 1 should be there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.